For our cabbage, we have onions that are already sauteing in olive oil. Adding some salt to the cabbage, and then Christina is massaging it to make it soft. Add the carrots first to the oil and the onions. The chopped zucchini and the red pepper.
But what you see, I need a little bit more water. So can I have a cup?
Add some extra water to keep it moist. And then cover it after you've added the extra water. So the onions, the carrots, and the vegetables have cooked down, and now we're adding the cabbage to the vegetables. The cabbage has been put in the pot, then we're adding some water.
And this is not enough, so I will add more because I want to cover with water.
The cabbage will be covered with even more water, and she said you have to cover the cabbage, and there we go. And you could see the juices from the vegetables have risen to the top. She mixes it. And then we're going to cover it.
And cover maybe for 1 minute.
The cabbage is cooking, and all it has in it right now is the salt along with the other ingredients. It's just still cooking away, and it's on a medium heat. And stir it as you cook it, stir it occasionally. So if there's too much water that's being released.
And I want to take off a little bit.
Liquid that is drained off of the cabbage. The cabbage releases a huge amount of liquid, and you could see that we drained it and we removed some of the liquid. Bay leaves, and then we're adding a small can of tomato sauce to the cabbage. This is the secret. You add some olive oil after the cabbage has been cooked for a while, and that is Christina's secret, along with adding bay leaves. Some pepper after we added the bay leaf. And the olive oil to the parsley to the cabbage. So now we are adding sauerkraut because it counterbalances the sweet taste by adding the sauerkraut. It adds a saltier taste to the cabbage.
Need something extra here.